Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch NEC screen from 2 CCFL to our LSR series. So LSR means that the LED strip installed in the L-shaped reflector, so it's easy to to slice in. And this kit including one of LSR LED strips, one 6-pin, only have 2 wire connectors, and one LED driver with MS610 UB. Basically, you just connect either one, and red is for 12. You can connect between 12 volt to 24 volt DC, and black to negative or ground. Okay, so let's take a look at the screen. This screen is made by NEC, NL8060BC26-28. Okay, so this is 10.4-inch screen, and the screen was one reflector with 2 lamp inside, so you see 3 wires. So there's a plastic clip as always, all the NEC the same. But here, pull out. Okay, make sure it's clean. This one, you just slice right back, and then you push all the way up. Add a piece of wire to tape to secure the wires. Okay, so you connect this one. You can connect to either end, and this one you peel off. You can mount it. Usually, I would suggest mount it either here, or you can mount it back to your old inverters locations. Okay, thank you for watching.